Okay guys, here is a quick unboxing of the DR400G HD Blackvue camera. This is a full 1080p HD car camera recorder. So I'm going to stick this in the M3 to record journeys. It's quite a nice little box. It's got the specs on the side. Just let that focus. So there's the Korean specs on the other side. It is also in Korean as well. I bought this from Korea because it's slightly cheaper than the English version, but there is actually a bit of software online where you can convert the encoding to English on the actual device itself. So there's the camera. As you can see, it says it is a full 1080p HD on there. There's the lens. It's got a nice little clip. This has got a little bit of adhesive on the back of it, and you've obviously got your lock button. This is the record button, and there you've got an SD card slot, power cable input, and this rotates around this central axis here. But apart from that, it's quite simple. And then in the box you've just got the standard stuff. So we have some micro SD cards. This is from the Korean eBay version. We have this cigarette lighter socket cable. So it's just a charger that keeps it in. And it's fully charged. More adhesive strips so you can stick it anywhere. And you also have the AV cable so you can connect it up to your TV and watch the footage back afterwards. Apart from that, all there is a manual. Cool little manual. And that is pretty much it. So there is our HD camera. And obviously you've got an audio cable. So that's if you want to play back through the TV. And also in this one we have a SD card reader. So I think the eBay version is a good buy, because you get all these free SD cards, two 16GB cards, and this cool SD reader. And you get all the necessary cables, got your manual, and the camera is very good, according to reviews, exactly like the original. Full 1080p quality, so I'm pretty happy with it. So there is my unboxing of the Blackvue 1080p Full HD in-car camera recorder. Thanks for watching.